Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can connect Moonbix wallet, right? So how you have to do it, you have to just go to Telegram here. Now once you're in the Telegram, you have to search for Moonbix, right? And you will get this here Binance Moonbix account and bought everything here. Now you can also search for Moonbix wallet, right? And here you can see, so usually you will find the same thing, right? So let's just go and click on it. You will see here there's 21 million monthly user. So this is a way you can just verify. Now just go and click on start. Right, now once you go and click on start here, it will start loading and you can just go and click on play. To launch this web app, you will connect to its website. So you have to just go and click on start, and this only works in mobile applications, so make sure you open it there. Now here you can see accept cookie and continue, right? And you have to just wait right now. Now here we will get daily records, so just go and click on continue. Right, now here to connect it to your Moonbix here, actually this is right. Now here you can just find each and everything. Now let's go and click on play. It will start loading to capture the collectible once the okay, so this is a game you have to just play to collect the more and more coins. Now usually what happens whenever you're just accessing for the first time, it will ask you to play this game. It could also be something like, share our page, subscribe our channel or something like that. Now to connect it, you have to just go to your Binance. Now here it will ask you to install the Binance app. Now once you go and install the Binance, it will just ask you to log in into your Binance account. Right after login it, authorize the connection between your Moonbix account and your Binance account. Right, so let's say if I just go to into my Binance here, it will ask me to download, right? So I will just go and click on download for Android, right? It will take us to Play Store. Now we have to just go and install it up, right? Now here we have to just go and click on open, right? And let's open our Binance here. Now as I told you, it will ask you to log in into your account. So let's say okay, switch to Binance for advanced trading features on spot here. So I will just go and click on I'm new to crypto here. I will just go and click on accept all. Right, now once we do this, it will ask to connect our accounts. I will just connect with my Google account here. Then it will ask you to link your existing account. Now enter the password. Now enter the verification code, right? Now once you have successfully logged in into your Binance account, automatically it will start loading. So you have to do nothing, you have to just wait here. Now it will ask you to verify your account, right? So once you have verified your account, just go and click on continue because it need to verify your account. This is very important, right? So once you do, you have to, let's go back, right? And we have to open the Telegram bot once again. Now once you go back and open this up, now let's go to the Binance here. Now it will ask you the same thing, so automatically it will start going to the verification center, as you can see here in the Binance. So once you have verified your account, automatically it will start linking, right? So I will just go and click on continue verification on all that. So it's very important to verify your account with adding all this information on your Binance account, then only you will able to link. So I have not verified, that's why I'm just facing this issue here. Otherwise I would be successfully able to link my account with the Moonbix. So thanks for watching this video, and please like and subscribe for more such videos.